amazing. So we've just arrived at Bungonia National Park, and it is just friggin' gorgeous. I'm gonna camp up here for the night. We've driven from Sydney to Marluan. We stopped off at Nepean Dam, and we've now arrived at Bungonia National Park. And we're going to do a little bit of exploring tomorrow, but for the moment, we're pretty happy. Day 2, we're in the Bungonia National Park, and we're doing a loop walk. Just so pretty. Lots of animal scratch.
Is it?
That's a funnel web. Oh my god. Oh, you are kidding. Oh! Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, it just goes straight down. You coming? Oh my goodness, that was pretty special.